need to remove this clamp here from the fuel, whatever this thing is, so we can get the brake line snaked past it. Oh, this holds the fuel pump in place, that's what it is. Okay. And after that, we've got all this line here. I want to keep it in one piece as much as possible so that I can use it to bend the new line. I believe the end of the line comes up here, runs down, and ends right there. So I think I can get in. I would strongly suggest doing this with the engine out, because this is a royal pain. Yeah, so all these clips are just gonna break. So like, I was trying to get this in there. There's a clip here too. Boom. Clip. Yay. And at this point, I'm not sure where the other clips are supposed to be. So I think I took all of them down. There's one. So I think these are supposed to be the bosses for the other clips. So then all you do is just go in and clip it. There's pieces.
A little brake line in there?
Yeah, it just roughs it off in there. There we go.
That's not a good sign.
This week on, Dan figures out that the metal under the countertop is one giant sheet.
Someone's drill sucks.
Pretty sure you're hitting metal.
Cool. We're diagnosing a fuel leak. Alright. Yeah, okay, so it's spraying in between where the hose and the plastic thing meet, so that hose clamp is completely shot. Okay, so now I don't see it. I removed the clamp. So we don't need a clamp. The clamp is the problem. No. Alright, try it again. Like, send it. Send it a third time. Dude, now I don't poke at it. Yep, that's like a fine mist too. That's like that's the kind that explodes in midair.
What was that?
Intake tubing off.